الرحمن. Today lesson is part of speech from body parts. You have already known the body parts. We have said three sentences in this lesson and we are going to extract the grammar from these sentences. Sentence number 1. Allah gave me two eyes. In this sentence, Allah is noun. It is a proper noun, the name of God. Gave is verb. It is action and past sentence of give. Me is pronoun. Object pronoun referring to the speaker. Two is adjective. Number quantifier describing eyes. Eyes is noun, a common noun, a thing. Sentence number 2. I wash my hands. In this sentence, I is pronoun. Subject pronoun referring to the speaker. Wash is verb or action. My is pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. Hands is noun, a common noun, a thing. Sentence number 3. I walk with small feet. In this sentence, I is pronoun, walk is verb. With this proposition shows the relationship between walk and feet. Small is adjective, feet is noun.